Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can create a new Flutter project on Visual Studio Code, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create a new Flutter project on Visual Studio Code, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. But before doing that, first, I want you to be sure that you already have installed and set up your Flutter on your computer. If you haven't done that yet, I have a clear step-by-step tutorial video on how to do it, so just watch it and then come back here once you have properly installed Flutter on your computer. And now that you're sure that you already have Flutter on your computer, let me now show you how to create a new Flutter project on VS Code. So to do that, first, I want you to open your VS Code. And once you've opened the app, next, I want you to click the View option on the menu at the top. And then select the command palette. And here at the command palette, you just need to search for Flutter. And then click Flutter New Project. And then click Application. And after that, your File Explorer will appear, so in this case, you just need to select the directory where you want your new Flutter project to be saved. In my case, I will just choose to save it in the desktop directory. Once you've selected, just click this button. And then you can now name your project to whatever you want. And once you're done naming, just press Enter to proceed. And after that, your VS Code will now start creating your project. This might take a little time, but don't do anything and just wait for it to finish. And once this shows on your screen, it's done. Congratulations, that means that your Flutter project has now been successfully created, so you can now start doing your project. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.